Duas mil e vinte seis Honda Prelude. Is this the sports car of your dreams? Even Honda, long bearers of the flame, killed the Accord and Civic coupes a few years ago. Yet the company isn't ready to give up on the idea of affordable front-drive coupes. As everyone else retreats, Honda is doubling down. This technology not only improves fuel efficiency, but also delivers better performance. Replacing the lost coupe model, the Honda Prelude replaces the discontinued Civic and Accord Coupe. With around 200 horsepower from the hybrid system, it promises a fun driving experience. Innovative hybrid technology. The new Prelude will likely be offered only as a hybrid. It fills a gap in the market. This hybrid system combines a 2.0-liter gasoline of a great name with dual Prelude name has a long history similar to that as a popular luxury sports coupe until its fifth generation in 2001. Estimated price. The estimated price for the 2026 Honda Prelude is expected to range from approximately $31,000 to $38,000, depending on the trim and features selected. Release date. The car is expected to go on sale in Japan shortly after its debut, with a global rollout, including North America, beginning in late 2025 and into early 2026.